Whole Foods Market isn't just a grocery store. It's a cultural icon of the organic movement and a fascinating case study of how law and business intersect. From its humble beginnings to its status as an Amazon subsidiary, Whole Foods has been at the epicenter of evolving legal landscapes. Let's dive into this extraordinary journey. In 1980, John Mackey and Renee Lawson Hardy envisioned something different, a natural food store named Saferway in Austin, Texas. Early on, it was a vibrant hub for those embracing a healthier lifestyle. But disaster struck just a year later when a devastating flood swept through Austin, threatening the very existence of their budding enterprise. In a show of incredible community spirit and loyalty, customers volunteered labor, suppliers extended credit, and slowly the store rose from the murky waters. The community's support was a beacon of hope, laying the foundation for an enduring brand. With the 1990 Organic Foods Production Act, federal credibility transformed the organic food industry. Whole Foods was ahead of the curve, aligning its offerings with these new standards and gaining a significant edge in a rapidly growing market. This wasn't just about bureaucracies and certifications. It was about trust and transparency with consumers at a national level. Fast forward to 1992, Whole Foods goes public, transitioning from a private to a public company under the NASDAQ ticker WFMI meant adapting to new legal requirements and shareholder scrutiny. Balancing its founding ethos of conscious capitalism with the demand for shareholder returns was a tightrope walk for John Mackey, blending visionary ideals with corporate reality. As the years went on, Whole Foods expanded aggressively, attracting customers with their pristine produce and conscientious products. Yet, rivals like Kroger and Walmart began to encroach, selling organic at prices that chipped away at its market share. All eyes turned to the board for strategic solutions. And then came the turning point, Amazon's acquisition. In 2017, Amazon scooped up Whole Foods for a whopping $13.7 billion. In what remains a landmark retail transaction, the merger fused Amazon's digital dynamism with Whole Foods' brick-and-mortar prowess. The deal rolled through antitrust assessments, raising questions about competition and privacy. Whole Foods' transformation into an Amazon subsidiary ushered in a new era, rife with both opportunities and challenges. But Whole Foods' dealings with antitrust laws didn't start there. Remember the Wild Oats market acquisition saga in 2007? Legal battles then served as a prelude to the complexities of merging with a titan like Amazon, grappling with market definitions and competitive practices. Their ventures didn't stop at acquisitions either. Whole Foods leveraged its labels, playing up natural claims and organic certifications to stand apart. Yet, this approach wasn't without hiccups. Regulatory and consumer scrutiny loomed, challenging claims about product authenticity. Additionally, with grocery shelves neatly stacked, the backdrop included labor disputes, allegations of cumbersome work conditions, and navigations through complex employment laws, mirroring the challenges faced by its parent company, Amazon. These legal skirmishes over employee rights and union efforts painted a complex picture of modern labor relations. Sustainability lies at the heart of Whole Foods' brand, but the rising tide of ESG regulations demands more transparency. Whole Foods must back its green promises with verified environmental reporting as consumers become increasingly watchful. Finally, there's Amazon's tech integration. Biometric payments and AI-driven analytics redefine Whole Foods shopping experiences. Here arises the delicate dance with privacy laws as technology and retail blur the lines. Whole Foods' story isn't just one of retail triumph. It's a compelling narrative of survival, community, and the ever-shifting dance with legal frameworks. As Whole Foods navigates these complexities, the role of law will continue defining its path as a pioneering player at the confluence of food, technology, and society.